सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुस् अनलाइन टु ब्रेन च्यानललाई र सँगैको बेल आइकन पनि दबाउनुस् लेटेस्ट इन्फर्मेटिभ एन्ड टेक्निकल भिडियोहरू सबैभन्दा पहिले हेर्नको लागि।
We improved the way you insert blocks with the new Blocks palette. The palette includes visual thumbnails of blocks, making it easier to insert blocks from the current drawing, recent, or other drawing tabs. You can select how much information you want to see on the palette by choosing from various list types or different icon display sizes. And it's easy to filter for the exact block you're looking for. The Recent tab displays the most recently inserted blocks, regardless of the current drawing. These persist between drawings and sessions. The Blocks palette includes a visual preview of the blocks along with insertion options like insertion point, scale, rotation, and more. Place blocks from the palette by dragging and dropping, or by clicking on the block and placing it into the drawing for more precision. Based on customer feedback, we added an option to repeat block placement. Measuring distances in your drawing has become much faster with the new quick option of the Measure Geom command. When this option is active, the command displays dimensions, distances, and angles within a 2D drawing dynamically as you move your mouse over and between objects. The distance between two objects is measured only if the objects are parallel. The small orange square in the corner indicates the lines are at a 90-degree angle. The DWG Compare feature, introduced last release, has been improved based on your feedback, so that you can compare and make changes in real time. Now when you select the drawing you want to compare to the current drawing, the differences are displayed right in the current drawing. Using the new toolbar, you can quickly toggle on and off the comparison. When you make changes to the current drawing, the differences are highlighted in real time. Select the objects from the compared drawing and import them into the current drawing in real time. Any objects you import will automatically turn gray, indicating the objects now exist in both drawings. You can also export both drawings to a new snapshot drawing that combines the differences between both drawings. The snapshot drawing is the same as a drawing compare in previous releases. And when you select Exit Compare, the differences are no longer displayed. The Purge feature has been redesigned for easier drawing cleanup, and to help you understand why certain items can't be purged. Selecting categories and individual objects is easier with the added checkboxes. Notice that zero-length geometry and empty text objects can be purged separately. We added a preview area where you can view a highlighted object, and the area is resizable for easier viewing. We added the Find Non-Purgeable Items button for easier viewing of the items that can't be purged from the drawing. In this example, I'll expand layers and select the Doors layer. In the Possible Reasons area, you can see general information about why the layer can't be purged, and in the Details area, there's information specific to the objects on the Doors layer. To find the objects in the drawing, click on the Select Objects icon. This closes the Purge dialog box and selects the objects in the drawing. From here you can make further changes as needed, such as moving the selected objects to another layer.
With the Auto CAD mobile app, you can view, create, edit, and share CAD drawings anytime, anywhere. Get full access to your rich DWG files from the cloud. Make edits and draw accurately with Object Snap. Mark up and annotate drawings. Measure and verify accurately and quickly. Share files instantly. And work offline without internet connectivity.